What's up, guys? Welcome back. We got a exciting one. This is a long time in the making. We're dipping the Mustang. Yep, Dip Your Car is coming at it again with us, and see how it turns out. So, show you the process. Stick around, relax, and watch me transform this car. Here we go.
Might have missed it.
Really?
That one might be better now.
I know. Look at that.
Well,
right,
let's see this one, because that one's got sparkle in it.
That one's really nice. Oh man.
Might be a little matte though.
I know. Should I do that? That's really nice. I like the sparkle.
I do like the sparkle.
But I like that Nardo color.
Yeah, but that one seems a little too matte.
Alright, I know I'm in a different outfit, disregard this, but we're gonna jump onto the dip right now. We're gonna start dipping this thing. We got two coats to put on. We got our first base coat, and then we got our top coat, which has the pearl, and then we're gonna clear it. So let's jump right into that. Major drippage on this gun. I'm definitely gonna have to reach out to Dip Your Car because this thing is just like leaking from all over the place and getting drips all over the car. I'm gonna have to tackle them when I'm done. They're kind of blending in, not terribly, but when you look close, it's gonna be a pain. So this is my cut down on the drips. We'll see how good this does. Coat 2, see how it turns out. Alright, so what we did here, we got to get a new gun. So we're going to use the clear for this. So basically regular HPLV gun. So we're going to lay the rest of the clear out with this. And then we're going to finish this up. So we'll get back to it. Alright, let's throw the wheels on. Alright, so that's all 4 wheels on. The car is ready. So I don't think you guys are ready for this. This is insane. This video came out so much better than I thought. My brother killed it. I'll leave his link down below to his pages. This came out so sick. It's gonna be epic. So excited to show this with you guys. Here it is, all that work leading up to this. Hope you guys enjoy. It's been a fun one. Check it out. Man, that is so sick. I love watching it every time I see it. It never gets old. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Mustang project. We got one more video to drop. We're going to do a 10-minute build series, as you guys know and love. So once I drop that, we're going to be moving on to the next project. Follow my Instagram for early releases on the projects and updates. We got the wide body starting real soon for the ST. So stay tuned for that. We got a new project that we picked up. So stay tuned to my Instagram. You can see early access to see what that is. You guys are not going to see coming what we picked up. So stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed this Mustang project series. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Until next time, stay simple.